Small bathroom tiles 2026. Small bathroom tiles in 2026 are not just about size, they're a design revolution for compact spaces. This year, the focus is on making every inch of your small bathroom work smarter, not just harder. Bathroom tiles are going geometric, and not just for style, hexagons and diamonds trick the eye into perceiving more space. In a small bathroom, this illusion is everything. It makes tight quarters feel more open. Matte finishes are dominating bathroom tiles in 2026 for their clean look and slip resistance. Glossy tiles used to rule, but in a small bathroom, matte tiles hide smudges and diffuse light gently. Terrazzo bathroom tiles are making a bold comeback, but with more subtle, speckled patterns perfect for a small bathroom. The charm of terrazzo is its ability to blend multiple tones, tying together bathroom elements seamlessly. One of the biggest shifts in bathroom tile color is toward muted greens and powder blues, home tones for small bathroom serenity. In a small bathroom, soothing tile colors reduce visual clutter and create a peaceful vibe. Another standout trend is using large tiles in a small bathroom to reduce grout lines and create a more continuous look. Yes, larger bathroom tiles actually make small spaces feel less busy and more luxurious. On the flip side, micro-mosaics are also in, especially for bathroom backsplashes and niches. These tiny tiles bring texture and contrast without overwhelming the small bathroom. Textured tiles are also big in 2026. Think fluted ceramic and raised patterns in bathroom tile designs. They add depth to flat bathroom walls and elevate simple, small bathroom designs. Vertical stocking with subway tiles is another modern move. It stretches the eye upward in a small bathroom. This vertical pattern makes bathroom ceilings feel higher, a bonus for low or cramped spaces. 2026 bathroom tiles are going eco-friendly, with recycled materials gaining momentum in small bathroom remodels. Glass and ceramic tiles made from recycled content not only look sleek, but align with sustainability goals. Color block zones are showing up in small bathroom design, using tiles to separate wet and dry areas. This tile strategy defines bathroom function without needing walls or barriers. Popular for 2026, soft gradient tiles in a small bathroom, transitioning from floor to mid-wall for a subtle ombre effect. These gradient bathroom tiles give the illusion of light and height, perfect for compact spaces. Black and white bathroom tiles are still a timeless option, but 2026 gives them a modern twist with irregular patterns. In a small bathroom, these patterns provide contrast without closing in the space. Tiling the ceiling in a small bathroom is trending, especially with reflective or light-toned bathroom tiles. It pulls the eye upward and finishes the room with polish and depth. Wall-to-wall bathroom tiling is back, especially in open showers or wet rooms where space is tight. It gives the small bathroom a seamless, spa-like feel while protecting every surface. Zillage tiles, handmade with a slight shimmer and imperfections, are ideal for adding artisanal charm to any small bathroom. They catch the light beautifully and create movement in even the simplest bathroom layouts. In 2026, bathroom tile grout isn't just gray or white. Expect to see bold colors and metallics for contrast. Grout in shades like navy or brass can outline bathroom tiles and enhance a small bathroom's visual interest. Minimalist tiling patterns dominate the small bathroom trend boards, linear, neat, and highly intentional. These layouts reduce chaos and help small bathroom walls feel wider or taller. Wood-look bathroom tiles continue trending, especially in a small bathroom where real wood would warp. These tiles give warmth and texture while being water-resistant and easy to maintain. Accent bathroom walls with patterned tiles are popular again, especially behind mirrors or vanities. In a small bathroom, this acts as a bold focal point without requiring extra space. High-contrast bathroom tile pairings, like navy and cream or charcoal and rose, are defining 2026's edgier small bathroom looks. They offer depth and personality to small bathrooms that can often feel overlooked. Herringbone and chevron layouts are giving traditional bathroom tiles a fresh spin. These patterns create motion and energy in small bathroom floors and feature walls. Tile trim and edging are now ultra-sleek. Metal strips or flat ceramic borders keep small bathroom tile work crisp. Gone are the bulky transitions. 2026 is about clean finishes even in the tiniest bathroom. Statement tile flooring is in. Think Art Deco prints, Moroccan-inspired layouts, or bold two-tone repeats in the bathroom. In a small bathroom, the floor becomes a canvas for expressing personality. Smart bathroom tiles with built-in heating or water detection sensors are emerging in high-end remodels. They bring tech into the small bathroom without sacrificing aesthetics. Whether you're renovating or building new, 2026's bathroom tile trends prove that small bathrooms deserve big style. Don't let size limit your creativity. Let your small bathroom tiles do the talking.